This is just to give you a rough idea of the width of my palm. Started tearing into this. I forgot to take the video. So we got the Crescent CPK350A 3.5-inch blade pocket knife, harpoon blade design, heavy D2 steel blade, heavy duty, smooth action bearings. Yeah, it's heavy. It's a heavy one. Got this for $24.98 at Lowe's. It is good lockup on the liner lock. Shopping cart just hit me. What is that? Blackstone wash finish. A little bit of oil there. Tip up, deep carry clip. Blackstone wash clip. I do like that deep carry. Just very, 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 very slightly off center there. Really nothing at all. Yeah. There you go. The CPK350A Crescent flipper knife. I forgot to mention the colored spacers. Did I mention its tip up? I think I did. This is a heavy knife. I mean, I've had heavier knives though, so this has a lot of features that make me want to carry it. So, oh yeah, so non-aggressive flipper tab. Jimping on the blade right there at the base. Nothing on the handle. Liners are thick and not milled out. And that is a sharpening choil. I would not put my finger there for cutting. Is that everything I want to say about this? Centered. There. No blade play. That's what I was going to say. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention recessed screws in the pocket clip. One position carry. And was there something else I wanted to mention? I think that's it. Oh yeah, no lanyard hole.